Hi, Harold Cross, Archadeck of Central Iowa. I'm hanging out at the office here this morning, waiting for some folks to come in to finalize some decisions on that project right there. Very nice patio and four-season room project. Notice back there on the wall, though, got a little bit of a blank spot. What's going on there? Well, there it is. We are down at the Iowa Builder Show. I say we, me and a few other vendors down here, including our outdoor lighting franchise partner, Trey Peak, and Outdoor Lighting's Perspectives of Des Moines. A little quiet crowd down here today, but I don't blame you. It's 80 degrees outside and you want to be outside. Iowa Cubs opening day today. Probably golf courses are open. Good day to get out for a walk or a bike ride. I'd be there too if it wasn't for this show. But Archadeck Outdoor Living will help you with your other 80 degree days and less. We design and build outdoor living spaces for year round in some cases. We help work with our Outdoor Lighting Perspectives partner to light them up. And home show or not, you can find us 24/7 on the internet, always ready to help there, and we'll get our showroom put back together after this show, and glad to host you out there as well. Look us up, Archadeck of Central Iowa.